Hey, good morning, investors and traders. Welcome to today's episode of Market Action Morning Bite. Before we get started, here's our disclaimer. This presentation is for educational purposes only, and this is not investment advice. So let's dive in, see what's moving today. Uh, Market futures are somewhat flat. Not a lot of activity. The WIX is slightly down about 1%. S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, RUSSEL, all of them are trading very flat to slightly green. Here are some top analyst downgrades today. Facebook got another downgrade. Airbnb got a downgrade and is down about 3.18%. The CME group got a downgrade, which is weird. General Motors got a downgrade for Morgan Stanley. I was skeptical when the stock was trading up during earnings. It's down about 3.8%. And Southern Company got some multiple downgrades. These are from yesterday. Moving on to top analyst upgrades. So Snowflake has a slight upgrade. For Morgan Stanley, it's up about close to 0.5%. The Hershey's company got an upgrade as well. It is up slightly, 15%, 0.14%. And let's see, what else do we have here? Nothing major. So moving on. Some analyst in coverage news. Uh, Barclays initiated coverage on NEO. EV stock is about 0.35%. Barclays looks like had multiple upgrades on Asian EV stocks, XPEV, which is also about 0.5%, Li Auto, which is also about 0.5%, as well as Trip.com, which is up about 1.4%. What else do we have here? Not familiar with this company, but Novacore got an upgrade from Loop Capital and is about 3.16%. Here's some unusual option activity. Tickers, Facebook, there were some unusual call options being traded as well as put options too, which kind of dragged the market down yesterday. General Motor had some call options. Under Armour had some call options. DWAC had some call options, though there was news today that they might be delaying the app, so uh, the stock started pulling back. Excuse me, getting some burps again. Hiccups. Oops. Chegg had some put options. However, they did really actually had some call options as well. They did really well, and I think the stock is up about 5% in the pre-market from earnings. But Boeing Company had some call options, something to watch out for. All travel stocks and casino stocks have been kind of enjoying a bit of a bounce right here. So let's look at some pre-market movers. So in pre-market gainers, VLDR. This is from a stake from Amazon in the company, which is moving the stock quite a bit. UCL, don't know what that is, but it's up about 40%. Something to look for. Look at pre-market losers. Novavax, NVAX is down about 8.39%. Not sure why that is. We'll take a look at that. in the news. And let's look at the most active by volume. So VLDR takes the crown today after Peloton, which was yesterday. Peloton had some news about CEO being let go and becoming chairman and being replaced by somebody who was previously at Netflix. So a lot of controversy in news and Peloton stock. Expect a lot of option activity around this as well. UCL Cloud Group is another one. Facebook is another one. Apple nowhere to be found in the top 5 today. Surprising. Some economic activity. Short-term energy outlook today at 12. Something to watch out for. We had a lot of unusual option activity on XLE and XLF, which we kind of shared in our Discord to the call side. Very short term, above open interest, and very bullish. All right, let's look at crypto. Crypto's been kind of just hanging in there right now. Some that are slightly down are Binance, Solana, and Terra Luna. And I think XRP is the one that is up 10%. Trending tickles on social media. This is what people are talking about. Peloton, obviously number one there with all the news that has been going around. Pfizer, they had earnings today. That's been number 2 at 3.7%. Novavax, VLDR, CFVI, and apps, General Motors. Wow, okay, didn't expect that in there. Chegg as well with earnings. So some of the key tickers to watch out for. You'll find a lot of movement in today's day trading. So, we have an update. Thank you, Abhi, for doing that. Abhi's our developer. So let's see. Before market earnings, it says Baba in here. Might have to double check that. It's been kind of on and off. Might be tomorrow. What else do we have here? Yum China Holdings. Something to look. Oh, that's a long list. Let's try to get through this quickly. TAL, a lot of China companies reporting, and those upgrades right on point, right before the ER. FISV is reporting. Pfizer, Win as well. And let's see what to expect today after market close. This data might be off. We're still trying to kind of scrub it and get it working. So take it with a grain of salt. Showing lift, which was yesterday. Peloton. Yeah, this thing needs to be checked. I think this is old data. Anyways, moving on. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have a great trading day, and be sure to visit marketaction.live and sign up for your free trial. And also join our Discord. Check out our mobile app. we share with our subscribers or even our community where we see some unusual action activity. We saw some unusual action activity yesterday for SPCE, as well as XLE and XLF that we'll be tracking today. We also saw some activity for Take Two Interactive, where we saw a lot of put buying, which should be green today after ER. So something to watch out for. Unusual option activity really helps you kind of guide where the bets are being made in terms of direction to the downside or to the upside. Are they bullish, bearish? Once again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you comment below and follow us on social media, and we'll see you tomorrow.